someone happy. Make just one someone happy. Make one heart the heart you sing to. Love is the answer. Someone to love is the answer. Make someone happy.
The perfect present.
Just one someone happy.
The best reactions.
We'll be happy too.
The right chemistry.
All the pies lay round about. What a feast, thought Stephen. Mr. Kipling, he does make exceedingly good cakes.
Excuse me, think a disposable razor shaves as comfortably as his Gillette Sensor XL?
Yeah.
Well, try Sensor XL. It'll change your mind. After one shave with Sensor XL, we bet you don't go back. Because only Sensor XL has protective microfins for extra comfort.
Whoa.
And self-adjusting blades for extra closeness. Disposables don't. And Sensor XL gives more shaves per blade than any disposable.
Excuse me.
Take the Sensor XL challenge. Bet you don't go back to disposables.
Hey, I want my Sensor XL back. Hey!
Orange Just Talk is the perfect Christmas gift. There's no written contract, no monthly bill, and calls start from just 29 pence per minute. Simply top up with talk time whenever you need it. The future's bright. The future's orange.
Uncle Pete, Mum always puts paper down. Mum never lets the dog in. Mum always puts the lid on. And Mum always uses these.
Mum works too hard. All I need is Flash All Purpose. It's not just for floors, but great on other surfaces too. And used neat on really tough marks, it's brilliant. Easy. Your mum will never know. Flash All Purpose does the hard work, so you don't have to.
Drizzling rain and winter wind can be particularly harsh on young children's skin. So does your washing powder leave your family's clothes as soft as you'd like? Most non-bios leave things fairly soft. Only Fairy gets them very soft, and so white. For softness the whole family will love. Fairy, not just fairly soft, but very soft next to skin.
Make someone happy. Make just one someone happy.
Save up to a third on a wide range of fine fragrances at Boots and make someone happy this Christmas.
On the show tonight, I'll be minding my P's and Q's with Jim Carver of The Bill, that's actor Mark Wingett, rhyming couplets with poet John Cooper Clarke, and turning the pages of Bridget Jones' Diary with its author Helen Fielding. I'll see you then.